This video is to show you guys how to make a STL file so that I can 3D print material. The first thing is, once you have your part done and ready to go, you want to click on File, click Export, click CAD Format, click this one, click it. And then in here you want to assign what folder you want this saved in. Perhaps you want it in your flash drive that you have brought to class like you're supposed to. And in my case, I don't have a flash drive in here because I'm gonna save it in here. Even though, again, let me tell you over and over again, you will lose the student drive. The student drive will go away. So after a while, you won't be able to save it here. So my keychain here. So I want to save it in this folder. I click on Save Type As, click STL, and then from here I click Options. And then I want to make sure this is in inch mode. If you've never done this before, it's probably going to be in millimeter. You need to change this to inch mode. And we hit OK. Once you do that, you hit Save. Now, when you save this, you're only saving this as an STL file, and you're not saving it as a part file. So make sure you also have it saved as a part file first before you save as an STL file, because if you want to go back later and edit this stuff, you're not going to be able to convert the STL back into the part file, IPT file. And that's it.